Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. It could be any year, any generation Ford C-Max. If you have check engine light on and any of the following three codes, such as code P0220, code P2122 or code P2127 that relates to throttle position sensor, stay with us. We'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. It could be two things. One of those things will be bad, and we'll explain how we can actually even test the component and find out if it's working or not. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Ford, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools supplies from, and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. So, when you have these codes, guys, okay, what to look for. Let's go ahead and open the hood on that Ford C-Max. It doesn't matter if you have a gasoline, diesel, hybrid, electric, plug-in hybrid, electric vehicle, guys. All of them will have an engine. So when you have that engine, okay, you're going to have throttle pedal and throttle body. The throttle pedal is the pedal inside that you depress to actually accelerate. The throttle body is what opens when you depress that pedal, and the engine will get more air. That device will actually regulate the RPMs too. So, if you guys have any of these codes, I will recommend to go ahead and inspect the throttle body. Make sure the wiring harness is plugged in, not disconnected, and you don't have a broken wire. It could be a bad throttle body. If you want to see how to test the throttle body, I think we made a video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out. It will teach you how to do that. Another thing that can easily cause that as well, and most of the times that's actually the problem. Okay, but again, you need to test it to find out exactly which of the two, because they're connected, guys. This is your throttle pedal. Okay, that's the throttle pedal right here, and if you look, the throttle pedal has a connector right there, the wires. Make sure the wires are not broken or depressed. Sometimes people hit them with their feet, but often the throttle pedal sensor will be malfunctioning. You have multiple sensors inside that detect the position of the pedal. Let's say you press it that way, now it's okay, it's about 20%. Now 50, 75, and 100%, so it knows how much to accelerate. If you need to replace it, we'll have a video on the channel, guys. If you want to see how to test throttle pedal, we'll have the video on the channel as well. But when you have these codes, most likely you have a bad pedal, disconnected wire, disconnected throttle body wire, or bad throttle body. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.